Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make notes like an iPad on Android. First, select an Android tablet with a vibrant, responsive screen, ideally with a refresh rate of 120 Hz for smooth scrolling. Next, acquire an active stylus specifically designed for your tablet model. This ensures accurate pressure sensitivity and palm rejection. Many Android tablets now offer excellent stylus integration, providing a premium note-taking experience comparable to other dedicated devices. This foundational setup is crucial for replicating that fluid, pen-on-paper feel. Selecting the right stylus is paramount for an iPad-like experience. An active stylus with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity allows for nuanced strokes, mimicking a real pen. Features like tilt support enable shading, adding artistic versatility to your notes. Furthermore, a stylus with excellent palm rejection ensures that only your pen strokes register, preventing frustrating accidental marks while you write. Many top Android tablets offer their own branded styluses, often included or sold separately, providing seamless integration. The right software transforms your Android tablet into a powerful note-taking machine. Apps like Samsung Notes, OneNote, and Squid offer extensive features, including PDF annotation, shape recognition, and customizable templates. Many provide an infinite canvas, allowing you to expand your thoughts without limits. Cloud synchronization is also a key feature, ensuring your notes are accessible across all your devices, from your phone to your computer. Experiment with a few options to find the one that best suits your personal workflow and preferences. To truly optimize your note-taking, customize your app's interface. Set up quick access to your favorite pen types, colors, and highlighters for seamless transitions. Leverage your Android tablet's split-screen functionality to view a document or web page on one side while taking notes on the other. This multitasking capability significantly boosts productivity. Finally, consistent practice with your stylus will improve your handwriting and speed, making your digital note-taking experience feel as natural and efficient as writing on paper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.